Yo, what's good? It's your boy Ozzy. I was representing out of the Peel Albert Show. I was looking at this footage put out by CBS. Yo, this is funny. $5,000 sweepstakes for you to tell your darkest secrets. Yo, y'all need to put this on DVD. I can sit here and watch this all day, listen to people secrets. That girl, that was a good secret. She was looking good too. You see her little outfit? See her little. Um, anyway, um, man, this is crazy. See, CBS, they gotta put you have to put this on DVD definitely. Of course, let us know who's the winner. Who's the winner? Definitely let us know who the winner. But that's a good idea, though. I like that. Definitely. Wow, yeah. I gotta put that on television. But I like to see it on DVD, all the different stories. Anyway, that's all I want to comment. I comment on any and everything on YouTube. Y'all already know that, so I don't have to keep saying it, but I do have to keep saying it for those that's watching it new. Yeah, I gotta say it for you, definitely. Anyway, y'all can hit me up at myspace.com/OZZIE hype. That's Ozzy Hype. I hit my partner Crown Ricky Indian at RCKY Indian. Or contact me 718-954-2629. Baby, to all the subscribers that subscribe to my videos, it's all good. I don't think it probably be years before I get to 3,000. Like the Mad White Jamaican, he has like close to 3,000 already. But it'd be years before that happens because I'm always commenting on everybody's stuff, so nobody have time to, take time to notice me. But I don't care because I'm enjoying what I do. Anyway, like I said, my number is 718-954-2629. I get calls from all over the world, whether negative or positive. It's all good. At least I know you're listening, you're watching it. And like I always say, never give up. Live life to the fullest. Enjoy your life and smile because it's good for the soul. Big up to the whole Pure Lava family, which is DJ Trouble, Sergeant Dugga Dugga, Cram, Clivey, the Pure Lava ladies also definitely, and Sergeant Dugga Dugga that's in Iraq also. I can't forget you. That's it. But this was a smart move by CBS. $5,000 for the best kept secret. Gotta put it on DVD because I want to see the whole story. The whole thing. Anyway, I'm out. That's all I want to say. And everybody have a good day. Everybody keep smiling. Never give up. Never give up. Anyway, I'm out.